Assalamu alaikum friends. Firstly, check this channel. This channel have 3 million subscribers by uploading 803 videos. It is really a very large number. But don't be worried. In this video I tell you that how you can create this type of videos by fully help of AI. So don't be miss out. I cut out this video in 3 simple steps. So don't miss any step, otherwise you miss out important part. So without wasting any further time, firstly check its views. 71 million, but it's almost 5 years old, and almost its latest videos gained over 46k, 148k, and even more than 1 lakh views by uploading simple motivational videos. So in this video I tell you that how you can create this type of motivational videos by fully use of AI. And let's go to the first step. So our first step is creating a motivational script. For creating script, I never recommend you to use ChatGPT because it creates very boring script. My opinion, go to any motivational video on YouTube. I recommend you to use this channel and open any video of its channel and simply go down and click on its description and click on it show transcript. This is the YouTube feature that comes out to show the YouTuber's video script. So just copy like this and Control C and then paste it to ChatGPT and tell reword this script without changing its tone. Now simply press on OK, and there you go. Our video script is ready. But there is an issue. It shows something like transitions which we do not really need. So simply copy it and tell remove all of this stuff and press OK, and there you go. Now our cleaned script is ready for our YouTube video, and this is non-copyrighted script, and don't be worried about it. Now simply copy the script and go to the second step. Now our second step is creating videos. I have already created a detailed video that how you can create videos from invideo.io. If you don't know about invideo.io, then simply follow my steps and create video. Now click on YouTube explainer. Now select the duration of the video which we need, like I need 2 to 3 minutes video. Now simply give a engaging topic. Now check this out. This is the self-discipline. Simply copy the same like this and paste it here, and simply give this script, copy and then paste, and there you go. Now tell him which type of music you need. I am creating a motivational video. Then simply click on motivation and select the voice, but I don't recommend to use this voice because I have an alternative which is better work than this one. So simply don't add any subtitle and press dot, and don't use iStop. Now simply click on continue and generate a video. Now simply wait for some seconds. This is our video's title, and after some seconds it shows this. Now simply click on motivational seekers and professional and which type of platform you need, of course YouTube. Now simply click on continue, and after some minutes, like 1 to 2 minutes, it creates video just from your text. Don't be worried about any voiceover, any other thing, because in this video I give you full detail that how you can create videos, and this process is also work on mobile phone without any issue. So don't be worried about that. And after waiting some minutes, the result is there. Now there you go, our video is ready. Now click on edit, and this is the script of the video. Simply delete all of this stuff, like delete this title and this one also, like, and simply click on apply changes, and after changes are applied, simply click on export option. There you go, and continue. Now there you go, this is our video's title. This is our video's description with timelines also, and simply click on download option and save your video. Now our third step is creating a suitable voiceover. There are 2 platforms that help you to create a professional voiceover. First one is 11 Labs and second one is play.ht. 11 Labs helps you to convert your text into speech, but there is some issues with 11 Labs. Like in 2024, many channels are demonetized due to use of 11 Labs because many of the people using the same voice. So I recommend you to go to the second platform, which is play.ht. Play.ht is a voice cloning website which helps you to clone your voice. Like, simply log in this website. It is totally free, and click on voice cloning and create a voice clone. Simply create a voice clone, insert 30. Now upload your voice audio up to 30 seconds. Now simply give it a name and describe your voice like young, English, and meditation, and a British, not a British, but, and simply check this out and create. But wait for some second. Now there you go. Our voice clone is ready. Now simply check this out.
This voice is brought to you by the community at Play.
Not bad. Now simply click on finish, and now use. This is the best part of my video. Simply enters your script of the video, add it, and now copy the script one by one like this. This is the second scene. Enter and then paste. Don't be worried about copyright issue because this is your own voice and copyrighted free videos and a suitable script, and there is no chance of copyright, so don't be worried about that. Now copy and paste all the chapters one by one like this, and be careful about these commas because it irritates while dubbing. And this is the last one. There you go. Our 5 chapters audio is ready. Now simply click on generate all, but be careful that only select 0:9 because 1 ratio is very fast because we are creating an inspiration video and the 0.9 speed is suitable for this. Now simply click on generate, and there you go. After some minutes, like 1 to 2 minutes, and after some time, our audio is becoming ready. So now our audio is ready, and simply click on each paragraph separately, and there you go. Our audio is downloaded. Now simply extract this WinRAR file and extract here. Now simply go to any editing software. I am using CapCut for this, and this is works on both PC and mobile phone. Now simply click on create a project and simply drag your video and audio also like this. Now there you go. Our audio is ready. Now simply cut out these pieces. Now you are seeing a watermark. Now there are 2 methods to hide this. First one is increasing the scale like this, and the second method is simply paste any sticker here like this and drag it to full video like this. Now drag it like this and simply add a text. So there are 5 chapters in the video. Paste it 5 times, but first set it and add some effects, adjust it like this. Copy the same method which I am doing right now. Now there you go, and this is. Now check this out. Now write chapter 1 like this, and you can also change the font or any other element which you need. Like, now use any font. I like Arial. I select this one, adjust its position and scale. Now our video is ready to upload. Check this out.
Have you ever wondered why you're not achieving your goals as fast as you'd like?
But something is missing. What? Effects and captions. For caption, simply click on auto captions, select your language and generate. Now adjust its style and position. Like which one you like the most, simply select it like this one.
Could it be that you're indulging in unearned rest, or perhaps allowing laziness to steal your dreams? The power of self-discipline is often underestimated.
Now simply adjust its position like this and apply some effects. Now there you go, our video is ready, but one thing is missing, right? A copyrighted free music, and type motivational. Now simply click on music, and there you go. Not bad. Now simply download it and simply drag it to CapCut. There you go, and simply adjust it. Cut out this downfalls and adjust it to 19 to 20 depending upon your voice level. Our video is ready and simply click on export and upload anywhere. Like and follow because many of other people also need this video. So don't miss out. I will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.
Have you ever wondered why you're not achieving your goals as fast as you'd like? Could it be that you're indulging in unearned rest, or perhaps allowing laziness to steal your dreams? The power of self-discipline is often underestimated. Remember, rest is reserved for those who hustle, not for those who coast. Every outcome, every circumstance in your life, it's on you. The power to shape your life comes from within, but it requires taking full responsibility for your actions. Ignoring or denying the truth about your current situation will only hold you back, while